This is Tuff. This is the Tuff Onyx HD8370. The inserter bind is a wire inserter and closer. In wire binding, inserting the wire as well as closing it is a time-consuming process. This machine makes it faster and simpler. Setup is pretty specific, and here's a color-coded step-by-step process. Step 1 is red, and you adjust the two red dials on the top. This adjusts for the size wire that you'll be using. Dial both of them to the same, up or down, so they line up with the inside line. The second step, with the green knob, also adjusts for the size wire. Match it to the setting on the top. The third and final adjustment to wire size is the yellow knob. Turn it, set it, lock it. Next, moving on to the fourth step is the orange knob, and this adjusts the height of the table. Once you place the wire onto the table and slide it all the way to the back, with your line of sight, use the orange knob to lower the table or raise it just until that lower loop disappears. The final dial is the blue dial. This is used to adjust the size paper that you'll be binding. The little metal fence here at the top is the top wire guide. It goes down under that top loop. You make your adjustments here on the side, just again until that top loop disappears from sight. With everything set up, let's run a little demonstration. A clever trick in wire binding is to take the back cover and flip it around so it faces the front cover. That way the seam of the bind is hidden just inside the back cover. With your wire in place, slide your project down the table and into the throat all the way back. Now bring the lever all the way down in one motion till it stops, lift it back up, and pull your project out. The wire's been threaded onto the book and closed at the same time. These specific adjustments become second nature after some use. But in wire binding, there's nothing more convenient and quick than being able to slide your book in and bring the lever down for a complete insert and close in one step. That's it. That's the Onyx HD8370. Works great as a standalone unit with your binding system, or can be mounted on top of any vertical OD or HD Tuff Onyx punch. And the entire Onyx series comes with a full 3-year warranty. Tuff Onyx.